Kamusta mga tol? Ako nga pala si Eddie ng Retired and Hungry. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kapolei shopping market. So our lunch for the day is gonna be at Genki Sushi. This is one of the famous chain here in Hawaii for a rolling sushi bar. So tingnan natin kung talagang masarap ba or what's the hype all about. Ano pang hinihintay natin? See you guys inside. Let's go! Okay mga tol, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Genki Sushi. So, ang ordering process dito, you can scan the QR code right here to pull up the menu. So, once you scan it, it's gonna look like this right here, and you can see there's a lot of different kind of food that you can pick. So, and also, they do have this menu right here that you can choose and pick. However, you'll find it out on the website that they have, on the digital menu that they have. Okay, let's try it. So once na-scan yung QR code, ito yung lalabas sa cellphone niya. So they have a lot of things in here. They have store specials, they have seasonal specials, there's tons of them. They got sashimi, gumpan, tamaki, bowls and deep fries, drinks, and dessert. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, mag-order na tayo. Ito, nandito na mga order. Let's eat. Let's get some wasabi. And also sauce. Okay. Here's our first bite. Unagi. We're gonna get some eel. Sarap talaga, eel, matamis. At saka yung sauce nila matamis-tamis ha. It's very good. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Isa pa.
Why is there lemon inside?
Sarap.
Can you take the lemon out
So
of
ito
it?
yung tinatawag nilang trio. Nakalimutan ko kung anong klaseng isda to. Pero tingnan natin, I think may salmon dito.
Hurry up!
May ahi. And tuna. Okay.
Why do green on your the lip?
Here you go.
Do the little bit more. It hungry ate a seed from there.
Oh, ayaw ko kayong inggitin pero ang sarap. Oh, isa pa.
How was it chicken?
Yeah. Kain lang ng kain, hanggang kaya. Isa pa. Wow. Sarap. Alright. Another one is because tuna salad. Isang kainan ba to o dalawa? Ano tingin nyo? Isang kainan dahil gutom na ako. Sarap. Pero dapat dinalawang agad ko pala. Nako, muntik na ako mabilaukan dun ha. Learn from my mistakes. We got our ramen. So ito yung mini bowl ramen nila. And then kay Russell,
Tamago udon.
she got tamago udon. Ano ba yung tamago?
Egg.
Oh, egg. Egg pala yung tamago. And as you can see, these little girls right here, they're just enjoying their food. Yummy. Let's try the soup. Okay naman. Hindi naman siya gaanong maanghang. So they have bamboo shoots. And they have a piece of char-siu.
Hold it like this.
And the soup base is miso soup. So, alright, let's enjoy. Itadakimasu.
So big, udon. We got everything. It's so hot. What is that?
Kaga tayo ng char-siu. Medyo malipis, but it's okay. You can hear the background music. It's like it's the 80s. I love the 80s. Just enjoying my food. Don't mind me. Good.
You want egg?
Masarap ba sa tingin nyo? What do you guys think? Yum.
It is. No, the plate is too long. I cannot get it. Mommy, I want to look
Alright,
at you.
finally it's here. So, we have last food of the day. So, let's see if this is any good. Tara, let's go! This is the spicy salmon. They have tuna. They have crabs. They have tuna salad and corn salad. And this is just a regular salmon. So,
Forever. Oh, What? You know what?
sarap.
Do you have a laugh?
Nabubusog na ako.
I'll tell you the question.
Ano ba yan?
Sushi.
Mag-mix na yung mayonnaise sa yung soy sauce ko. Okay lang yan. Masarap pa rin.
Forever.
Balikan natin na soy sauce.
Forever.
Let's go try this spicy salmon. There we go.
Do you know what E plus L means? Eel. Eel spice something.
Sorry.
Eel.
Kabusog. I'm full ate.
Just look at the camera battery.
Okay. Oh. Kahit busog, kakayanin. Masarap naman eh. Okay, last bite dito sa Genki Sushi. Let's go! Ah. Okay na ako pero matulog. Sarap. Okay. Kukul namin yung bill. Tingnan namin kung magkano nagastos ngayon. Sa apat kami dito. Keep in mind, presyo ng Hawaii ito. Okay? Sige. I'll talk to you later, guys. Okay mga tol, katatapos natin kumain sa Genki Sushi. Ano sa tingin ko? Okay lang, ayos yung panglasa. Pero presyo may kamahalan. But that's a Hawaii price though. Kasi if you go to a different states in the US, it depends on the cost of living. Dito sa Hawaii talagang mahal dito. Kasi the reason mahal kasi because this is a remote island, karamihan sa mga supplies and goods has to be shipped from all over the place. So with shipping by boat and plane, of course it's gonna cost money. Kaya maraming business dito, they take that in consideration on how to put prices on the goods they sell to people. Kaya sa akin, Genki Sushi, ayos sa panglasa, presyo, may kamahalan. I might not go there every month, pero maybe 6 months from now, I'll try it again. Maybe they have a different kind of foods in there. Hopefully, you guys like the video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys later on the next video. Aloha, mahalo.